Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix any high ping issues in Marvel Rivals. If you're experiencing high ping spikes, latency, or network problems, there are a couple of solutions we can try, and now let's get started. The first step is to ensure that you're connected to the right server. Before launching into a match, look for the server list in the top right corner. Click on it, and make sure you select the closest and fastest server to your location. For me, that's Frankfurt at the top, and I'll uncheck the other options, then press Confirm. Once you're connected to the nearest region, the next step, go to your desktop, open the Start menu, and search for the control panel. Click to open it. Set View By to large icons, and then select Network and Sharing Center from the left-hand side. Click on Change Adapter Settings, and then locate your Wi-Fi or network connection. Mine is the Wi-Fi one. Right-click on this connection and select Properties. Then scroll down to Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. In the new window, change the setting from Obtain DNS Server Address Automatically to use the following DNS server addresses and enter 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1 in the boxes. Press OK to save your changes. Then, close to exit. Next, go back to the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and run it as an administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. Once it's done, you can go ahead and relaunch Marvel Rivals to see if the ping issue is resolved. If that doesn't work, the final step is to go back to the Start menu, search for Settings, and open the Settings window. From the left-hand side, select Network and Internet, then scroll down to Advanced Network Settings. At the bottom, click on Network Reset and press the Reset Now button. After resetting, you might need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi by entering your password, and it's a good idea to reset your router too. Once you've done that, check if the high ping issue is fixed. If you're still having problems, consider connecting your computer directly to the router using an Ethernet cable, which most professional gamers use. It provides the most stable and reliable connection. That's it! I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.